So first I just start off by getting the area ready by adding some towels and a pillow so that she is nice and comfortable during the washing process. And I just want to say that this video is not sponsored, so any of the products mentioned are just what I happen to have in my product drawer. Most of them just ended up being Shea Moisture. I'm not particularly attached to using Shea Moisture for her hair. Like I said, it's just what I had in my drawer. So I did use the Curl and Shine Coconut and Hibiscus shampoo from the Shea Moisture line to lather her up for her shampoo process. Her hair is super thick and it gets tangled very easily, so I do my best to try to maneuver and make sure that there is no strand left behind. So going in with the conditioner, I just use the Everyday Hydration like coconut conditioner from the Shea Moisture line as well. And I just work this all through, doing a little finger detangling at the same time. So I use her conditioning time as an opportunity to try to detangle as much as possible. So I go in with a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb and I work through as much of it as I can and as much as she can tolerate, while also finger detangling before we get into our deep condition process. So after I get her conditioner rinsed out, then I'm going to go in with her deep conditioner or her mask while we are at the sink. And I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore mask or something like that. And this leads us right into her least favorite part of the hair routine, and that is the detangling process. So I detangle with her mask or her deep conditioner in before I put the cap on there. And I try to be as gentle as possible, but 9 times out of 10, she is gonna cry. So I just take this time to try to be gentle, give her a little extra TLC, and let her know that it's gonna be okay. So once I finish detangling, I keep her hair sectioned and I twist it up, and then I put the plastic cap on. And then of course I'm going to give her a little extra TLC to help lift her spirits. Then I'm going to put this flaxseed like deep conditioning cap. I've had this for so long, I don't even know where it's from, but you put it in the microwave, it heats up, and you can deep condition the hair. And all right, for the last time back at the sink, I usually let her deep condition for about 30 to 45 minutes. It gives her a nice break in the wash day to go play, get up from mommy's stylist seat, and it gives her hair time to really soak in that deep conditioner or mask so that she can get some moisture in her hair. So if this was not braid day, I would just go in with a leave-in conditioner and I would style her hair in some cute pigtails or something like that. But since it is braid day, I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb and then I'm going to blow dry her hair lightly in sections so that it doesn't get tangled and it's easier to part during the braiding process. So now getting into the fun part of the hair day routine, and that is the braiding process. And usually I'm not ever really sure exactly how I'm going to braid her hair. I usually have one particular idea in mind and then I just kind of go with the flow from there. So for today, I knew that I wanted to put a heart in her head since Valentine's Day is coming up. So I made the part for the heart on the left side of her hair, and then I kind of just went with the flow for the rest of the pattern. So baby girl is only 3 years old, so when I am doing her braids, I'm not striving for perfect parts, perfect size braids. I'm not striving for perfection. I just want nice and neat braids. I'm not braiding super tight. I want her to be able to tolerate it when I am braiding her hair. I just want a nice, neat, cute style so that we don't have to be bothered with her hair for a little bit of time and she still looks cute. The other thing that I have to keep in mind is the amount of time that I'm spending on her hair. It literally takes me 5 or so hours if I pair wash day and braid day in the same day. And 5 hours is a long time for a 3-year-old. 5 hours is a long time for me. So I'm not gonna spend all this extra time making sure the parts are super precise or that the braids are exactly the same size. I do not have time for that, and she's not gonna tolerate all that. So we have to get hair routine day done in a timely manner in the most effective way possible. Now, with all that said, if something doesn't look right, then yes, I'm going to redo it. So that braid that was on the side, it was a little big, so I did end up splitting that braid into 2 braids for the final look. And y'all, believe it or not, she wasn't even crying about her hair at this point. She was crying because she didn't want to take a nap. So to finish it off, I just put some styling foam and some spritz over that, and then I tied her down before her nap. She rested for a bit, and then we went to pick her brother up from school. Then we added the beads, and now we are oiling her hair with my oil blend to keep her moisturized and finish up the look. And even with all the tears during the process, 9 times out of 10, she is so happy with the finished look, especially if there are beads on there, because the beads are gonna do it for her every single time. And that is pretty much it. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video of me doing Sweet Baby Girl's hair, and until next time.